How to contact Google Live Support. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily contact Google Live Support. So first, just head over to any of your browser and simply search in for support.google.com, which is the official website of. And here you can just describe your issue if it's regarding account recovery. So I'll simply tap on this any of your issues just like this. So in this example, I'll be showing about this, and you can try and click on this lot of link over here, which has been shown to help you or improve your performance or regarding your issue. Another thing what you can also do is just click on this read more option over here regarding any of your problem, and if it's not helping in any way possible, then you can just click on this let's chat button over here, and you can simply choose on your issue over here as well. So just click on any of the issues which you are facing currently, and the Google Chat help guide will provide you with the information just like this, and just click on continue. And once you describe all of your issue should be fixed just like that. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.